mascara on your extensions. This one, it baffles me because in my opinion, if you're going to get eyelash extensions, then most people get it done so they don't have to wear mascara. But if you are someone that has gotten a conservative set, it's not very full, and you want to just add a little bit more flair, then you can wear mascara, but oil-free products are what you're going to need in order to clean them off. So using waterproof mascara is a no-no. And there are some mascaras that are specifically made for those who are wearing eyelash extensions, but where you would want to apply it makes a big difference. So you're not going to apply it as you normally would at the base up to the tips. You would go about at the middle and then just go up to the tips to give yourself a little bit more enhancement. But do I recommend wearing mascara on extensions? I don't, because the friction that's involved and necessary in order to remove the mascara is something that you don't really want to do, because you don't want to risk the eyelash extensions being pulled out because of you trying to clean that mascara off of your eyes. So yeah, you can, but it's all in the type that you wear and where you apply it.